boys, what is up? Here we are playing a game of Ornn in 2v2v2v2v2v2v2 arenas. We don't want any of these are all kind of shitty in my opinion. Although, you know what, warm-up routine might not be the worst, but screw it, you know what, let's go warm-up routine, let's do it. See what happens here. I don't think I'm gonna buy items this game, boys. I don't think we're gonna buy items. Yeah, we'll kind of see what happens. I mean, if we can win some early rounds. I mean, like, we got the 24% maximum extra damage, right? Which is a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot of damage. A lot of extra damage. Let's warm up routine immediately. What does my guy have? Executioner. Okay, we got it. Oh, they hit me. Not bad. But dodge that stuff. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 101. Oh man, I'm about to die. Damn, that's rough. That is so unfortunate. Oh no! Oh my god, you fucking hero! Boom! You're a god, bro! Oh my god, what a goddamn hero. Holy shit. Alright, let's see. We get augment number 1. 8.1 Omnivamp? That's not bad. That is not bad at all. Okay, now we're gonna get our W maxed out. Okay. I think you max out W, right? Do you max out W? I actually don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so game plan here is we buy as many augments as we can. I mean, as many anvils as we can. Hopefully get some really nice anvils, and then we get a beautiful water anvil, okay? And a beautiful prismatic item on the, you know, this round here. So here's to hoping for the best. We just gotta try and get as many, like, at the very least, kills as we can. Let me just warm up routine here. Almost forgot about my warm up routine. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24. Boom. This man is flying. This man is flying. Oh shit, I got bounced to the other side. That's not good. Get out of the plant. Oh, what the fuck? I got like way bounced there. Oh my god, that's annoying. 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom, very nice. Oh my god, look at us winning these rounds. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. Force of Entropy, Divine Sunder, Prowler's Claw. Let's reroll. Honestly, we do scale with armor, right? Armor and health. Damn it. Okay, Imperium Promise is not the worst. That basically adds an ability for us. We'll buy another bonus here. 16 Tenacity. That's pretty good. Alright. Time to start dancing, boys. Time to start dancing. We dancing, and then we're gonna slap 'em. Watch this, boys, it's beautiful. Okay. I have finished dancing. Oh, what the hell? God damn. Three, two, one. Nice. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Dude, that one guy went AFK though. It's kind of sad for Darius, but they might have won that if that guy didn't AFK. Oh. Alright, we get a lot of anvils here. 80 AP. Let's grab the health. Let's grab the 80 AP. Random strength, okay. I think we got something bad out of that. 41 AP, 30%. I want to grab the move speed here. Because we don't have any move speed yet, so... Okay, let's see, what do we get? Lethality. Lethality, Omnivamp, Tenacity. Wait, we have 8% Omnivamp, that's not bad. 616 health, that's also not bad. Okay, we're gonna start dancing, boys. I'm just dancing on my own. Uh-oh. If she bounces over here, I'm gonna E instantly. Oh wow, that missed. Oh my god, that missed, brother. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Oh no, he didn't smack it. I thought Sion was gonna take it. Kaboom! Beautiful. Beautiful. Dude, I need 20 gold. Oh wait! Earth's champion? Brother, we have to get 2 more kills. This could literally become the most beautiful stat increase game ever. We just have to get 2 more kills. Okay, I'm sitting up. I am sitting up, boys. I'm gonna make sure that we get some epic goddamn stats in this game. I want to see like all of these stats be high as hell. Okay. Oh my god, I was too late. Oh boy, that's not good. Oh man, I didn't warm up routine. I was not paying attention. Is my sign fine? I have 9 seconds on Imperium Promise. Okay. Going to the other side. Damn, that actually dealt so much damage. But if he can get that... Oh my god. Nice. Oh my god, I got my spatula, boys. Ooh, dude, this is gonna be so many stats. This is gonna be so many stats. Okay, let's see. We get 96 health, 14 ability haste. Let's grab this one, I guess. Then we grab this one. Then we grab 27 armor. Yep, sure, why not? 2 randoms. Let's go. We got attack speed and ability haste. Okay. Okay. We are now on fire. Dude, this is gonna be kind of insane, boys. Dude, like, our stats are actually, like, gonna be bonkers here. So we get all these stats. And then we're gonna get all the stats from our anvils. And hopefully we get a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful anvil. But I believe we're gonna get that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful anvil, okay? Sniped. Oh, I didn't warm up routine. Why did I not warm up routine, bro? Okay, wait. I have Omnivamp, right? I do have Omnivamp. Oh. Oh, he goes there. Uh-oh. I messed up a little bit. I should have warm up routine immediately. What in the world am I doing? Oh no! Oh my god, he almost got it! Oh, that's our first round loss. Okay, 2 random shards. Beautiful, give me that. Give me 8.6 Omnivamp. How much Omnivamp do I have right now? 8. Dude, this is gonna be insane. We got so much Omnivamp. Okay, okay, okay. Dude, we are in a very, very, very good position actually right now. Even though we lost a round here against their current top team, we almost won that. And now we're actually gonna be dealing a lot of damage. Now all we have to do, boys, is we have to not forget to use warm-up routine. I can't forget about warm-up routine. If we had warm-up routine in the beginning of that round, maybe that would have been way better. Phenomenal Evil Rumble. Wait, what? Clone? What is this? Clone? Ah, he jumped off. Ah, this is fine because like this guy's alone now. Nice. Wait, how did I die? How did I die? Bro, how? Oh my, we need our stats, boys. We need more stats. I think Cyan might be able to get this. Oh, this guy is a god. Boy's insane. What in the world? How much attack speed do I have? 1.79. If I go Searing Dawn here, kind of like support him a little bit. I kind of want to reroll. Yo, ability haste? You know what? I'll grab it. Why not? Give me a beautiful anvil. Starholder value shard. 86% effectiveness of all other stat shards. Yeah! This is beautiful, boys. We get stats for days now. Oh my god, look at all these stats, boys. Look at all these stats. We got the goddamn value shard, boys. Now we're ready to pop off. Okay, now we are ready to pop off. Finally, we get all of the extra beautiful thingies. Damn you, Lux. Let's jump on the Lux. Fuck him up. Oh god, ow. Okay, I'm gonna have to go here and get some healing. Good, I wasn't able to... Ah, wait, that Master Yi really got that hurt, huh? Oh god, no, no! So very unfortunate. Dude, Master Yi is dealing a lot of... Oh, he has 210 adaptive force. Holy shit. Holy shit. Okay, now we got the shareholder. Dude, we get so many extra stats now. I just have to, like, buy it twice more. If we get twice more on the buy phases, we just have so many stats that they won't be able to do anything. I mean, and the problem is the true damage as well. Okay, let's see. By a beautiful, we got 238 health, but that's gonna become a lot more. We got... do I want to grab... I want to grab the attack speed ability haste probably, right? 2.9, 2.19, 2.34. Okay, we're gonna grab... That's a lot of attack speed. Okay, we grab that. We are gonna grab... 35 AP? Maybe, yeah, I guess. Screw it. Okay. If we win this one, we're good. Like, we're actually so set if we win this one. Oh my. Oh damn, that's rough. Oh god. I'm gonna go grab some healies. And we dodged it. I got collected. Holy shit. Oh no, click it, click it. Oh, he did click it. The other guy clicked it. Damn, that's rough. Oh, that is so rough, boys. Okay, we're at 1 HP. 1 HP. Oh my god, but this is like the closest we've ever gotten to like actually getting a proper anvil stats. So like, even if we lose this, I still see this as a win, boys. I still see it as a win because we got so many goddamn stats out of it. Let's grab... I mean, I don't know if ability power actually does anything for us. Let's just grab the armor here. Then let's grab... more armor? Oh, we don't have to fight! We don't have to fight! Yes! Oh my goodness. We got that Q ability haste. But I feel like throwing out too many Qs is also not a good thing. Alright, it's fine. I believe in us, bro. I believe in us. I believe that this last buy phase here is gonna like give us all the stats we need. We got 86% extra stats from everything we get. We have so much armor. We have so much. I mean, we have maybe like a little bit too much ability power because like I think the only thing that scans with ability power is Ornn ult. Would have been nicer if we had more AD and more max health and more magic resistant armor. But I believe. I do believe. Okay. I still believe. Maybe we can even sell Imperium Promise. Yeah, I think we sell Imperium Promise. Okay, ready for this, boys? Sell Imperium Promise, buy Anvils. Anvils, Anvils, Anvils. Crit chance, attack speed, ability haste, okay. Attack speed, ability haste, okay. Crit chance, attack damage, ability power, magic resist. Okay, let's grab a little bit of magic resist, screw it. Attack speed 24%, 90% crit chance, sure, why not? 23 attack speed, okay, we grab this. And then the last 122 crit, 252 health. Attack speed. We have like 3.3 attack speed. We have 6,000 health. What are we facing? Rumble. 22 crit, 252 health. Let's get the health. Okay. Alright, this is all the stats we've got right now. We've got 271 AD, 292 AP. Okay, just look at this. Pause it if you need to. 2,448 health, okay. Okay, the guy ran. I don't have an Imperium Promise anymore. Oh my god. Yeah, dude, we're smacking now. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, I think Master E is gonna be the hardest one, honestly. What's happening to the E? Okay, who's this team again? Oh, Lux. Oh man, Lux is not having a good time. Oh my god. This man is getting smacked by it. Wait, no, I think Master E can actually win that. He just has played really well. I would stop going on volley here and go onto the play. Wait, what does he have? Lightning strikes, brutalizer, dematerialize. Ah yeah, this guy has like 534 AD. Yeah, there you go, he wins that now. Unless... No, he wins that. Nice. Wait, not nice for us, I don't like that. Big Brain, it's killing time. Dive Bomber. Maybe we go Big Brain, we get all those shields. Magic Pen? Magic Pen is not bad because we do... Oh man. I believe in us. I believe in us. We just have to be able to CCE. If we can CCE, we're good. And I have to fucking warm up routine. Oh my god. Let me go over here. Let me warm up routine. I don't have Imperium anymore, brother. Oh my god, my guy. Wait, is it Master E alone? Boom! Oh my god, I feel bad for E though. I feel bad for E. That's so sad. Okay, we're gonna grab ourselves some move speed. We're gonna grab ourselves some Magic Pen, we're gonna grab ourselves some AD and ability power, and that's all for now. That is all. Of course we're gonna save our spatula. We can sell it for 481. Oh my. Edge. Port later. That's so sad, man. That's so sad. His Lux quit. Oh man, that is so unfortunate. Marks may skill snipe from beginning to end. Look at that goddamn clone here, the LeBlanc clone. It's kind of funny, really. Oh my god. Answer, you kinda strong though. But GG, well played. That was the Prismatic Anvil game, boys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe.